Pam, we have a question in the chat from Jessica saying, why do SOP authors rarely know who their target audience or end users are? And what can one do to remedy this? They said, I find it results in a lot of extra meetings at the end of which they still might not get the right answers.
Yes, that's a great question, Jessica. If I knew the answer, no. Because there's a lot of assumptions that are being made about who the users are, and they don't have tools. Most organizations have no tools in place to figure out who they're actually writing for, right? Who their users actually are. So what you need to do, what every organization needs to do, is to create some kind of a rubric that dictates these are the things that we need to know about our particular users to write the SOP. And it's an important step, as you point out, and it's a step that most organizations often don't take the time for. It's an assumption. Oh, this is for so and so. Okay, right? And then there's assumption made about who they know. So the answer is putting a tool in place that forces your organization to think deeply and critically about who they're actually writing the SOPs for.